Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Many people wonder if starting a pressure washing business is actually profitable. The short answer is yes, absolutely it can be. It's a service with consistent demand, and it doesn't always require a huge initial investment. With dedication, good service, and smart marketing, you can build a truly rewarding and very profitable venture. One of the biggest advantages of this business is the relatively low startup cost. You can get going with just a decent pressure washer, some hoses, and essential nozzles. Compared to many other service businesses, this keeps your initial outlay quite manageable, allowing you to quickly reinvest your earnings and grow your operation. There's always a strong demand for clean surfaces, whether it's residential homes, driveways, or commercial buildings. Property owners truly value a pristine exterior, and they are often happy to pay for someone to do the dirty and time-consuming work. This consistent demand, combined with efficient methods, leads to some really appealing profit margins for your business. This business offers excellent potential for scaling up over time. Once you're established, consider adding complementary services like soft washing for delicate surfaces or even window cleaning. As your reputation grows, you can hire a small team, enabling you to take on more projects and significantly boosting your overall revenue potential. To truly thrive in pressure washing, prioritize excellent customer service and always deliver professional, sparkling results. A quality pressure washer and the right techniques will make a huge difference in your outcomes. Don't forget consistent marketing and networking, as these are key to attracting new clients and building a loyal customer base for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.